Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm there with these small cute ducks, and these are yellow ducks. New adventure, new journey. Nice. And let's join the rubber duck family. Yeah, we will join it. So this is how the packing has been done. And it is made in China, as the big portion it's written over here, made in China. Warnings and everything is mentioned over here. I read earlier that yeah, this is for not small babies than 3-year-old, so these are above 3-year-old babies for them. Now I'm gonna open this and show you how these cute ducks looks like. So come out, babies. How cute. You can even put them in water and they'll float. Cutie. And now something more. The sound of it, as you can hear. So isn't it beautiful? Nice. I just love it. So go and purchase these cute ducks for your babies. You can place in the bathtub and they'll play while having bath. So go for them. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.